Everybody is looking for the next big thing in technology. At the latest IT exhibition, 8D immersion displays stole the show, promising to revolutionize our world. Imagine stepping through a portal, leaving your living room behind. You find yourself in a bustling Marrakech marketplace, the aroma of spices filling the air. This is the promise of 8-dimensional immersion displays. Hello, this is Andy again from AI World with another interesting topic, the magic of dimensional immersion displays. Traditional screens remain flat, static windows to the digital world. 8-dimensional immersion displays break this fourth wall, blurring the lines between physical and virtual. Imagine attending a concert where you can see, hear, and feel the music's vibrations. This sense of presence unlocks a new level of engagement and emotional connection. 8-dimensional immersion technology marks a paradigm shift in our digital interaction. Imagine surgeons training in virtual operating rooms or architects walking clients through virtual models. This technology will fundamentally change how we live, work, and play. Imagine a box that captures and recreates light itself. 8-dimensional displays create a 3-dimensional field of light, a miniature replica of the real world. As you move, your eyes encounter different light rays, perceiving depth and dimension. This light field technology holds the key to truly immersive experiences. Sight is just one piece of the immersive puzzle. Haptic suits simulate physical sensations, from a feather's brush to a collision's impact. Coupled with spatial audio, 8D experiences engage all senses, creating profound presence. The future of immersion lies in freeing ourselves from bulky headsets. Imagine rooms where walls become displays or interacting with holographic projections. As 8D technology evolves, it will blur the lines between physical and digital worlds. In customer engagement, 8D immersion displays promise a paradigm shift. Imagine virtually trying on clothes or exploring car models in a virtual showroom. This immersive approach bridges online browsing and physical interaction. Hotels could offer virtual tours, enhancing the customer's journey and building trust. 8-dimensional immersion displays can bridge gaps in remote work. Imagine stepping into a virtual conference room, interacting with colleagues as if in the same place. This immersive approach can make remote work more integrated and cohesive. 8-dimensional immersion displays revolutionize product development. Imagine engineers manipulating 3D models in real time, speeding up development and reducing costs. Customer involvement in virtual focus groups ensures products meet expectations. 8-dimensional immersion displays create immersive learning environments. Imagine students exploring ancient civilizations or medical students practicing surgeries on virtual patients. Corporate training programs benefit from hands-on, immersive environments. This technology democratizes education, providing opportunities for a broader audience. Imagine planning a trip to Paris with a fully immersive 8D recreation. Experience destinations before booking, ensuring expectations align with reality. This try-before-you-buy approach revolutionizes travel planning. 8D immersion displays offer a visceral connection to destinations. Imagine walking through Marrakech markets or hiking the Amazon rainforest. These experiences evoke wanderlust and excitement, inspiring unique adventures. 8D immersion displays personalize travel experiences. Imagine a virtual travel agent guiding you through immersive experiences tailored to your interests. This level of personalization makes travel planning engaging and enjoyable. Section 4. The future of travel. A world without limits. While 8D immersion displays are still in their early stages of development, their potential to revolutionize the travel industry is undeniable. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more immersive and realistic experiences, blurring the lines between the virtual and the real. Imagine a future where you can travel to any corner of the globe, experience any culture, and even step foot on other planets, all from the comfort of your own home. This may sound like science fiction, but with the rapid pace of technological advancement, it may not be as far-fetched as it seems. 8D immersion displays have the potential to democratize travel, making it accessible to people who may not have the time, resources, or physical ability to travel traditionally. They can also promote cultural understanding and empathy by allowing people to experience different cultures and perspectives firsthand. In conclusion, 8D immersion displays are poised to revolutionize the travel industry, offering a glimpse into a future where the only limit to exploration is our imagination. By transporting us to distant lands, immersing us in different cultures, and personalizing our travel experiences, this technology has the power to transform not only how we travel, but also how we connect with the world and each other. Section 1. Rethinking Retail and Hospitality. As 8D immersion displays continue to develop, traditional business models in retail and hospitality are on the cusp of a major transformation. Imagine walking into a flagship store of a luxury brand and being greeted by a holographic concierge. This virtual assistant could guide you through the store, allowing you to try on clothes and accessories virtually, feeling the texture of fabrics and seeing how they drape on your body without changing rooms. The retail experience becomes not just a transaction, but an engaging journey. Stores could offer virtual fashion shows where customers can view the latest collections up close, feeling like they are part of an exclusive event. This immersive experience can enhance customer loyalty and drive sales by creating a deeper emotional connection to the brand. In the hospitality industry, 8D immersion displays can redefine the concept of a hotel stay. Imagine booking a room and being able to virtually tour the facilities, from the lobby to the spa, before making your reservation. Upon arrival, guests could be welcomed by a virtual concierge in their room, offering personalized recommendations for local attractions, dining options, and activities. Hotels could also offer immersive in-room experiences, such as virtual guided tours of nearby historical sites or cultural events streamed in real time from around the world. This would not only enhance the guest experience, but also provide additional revenue streams for hotels through upselling these virtual services. The potential for 8D technology in retail and hospitality extends beyond customer engagement. It offers businesses a way to differentiate themselves in a competitive market, providing unique and memorable experiences that set them apart from the competition. The impact of 8-dimensional immersion displays on education and training is poised to create new paradigms in these fields. Traditional classrooms, with their static textbooks and lectures, often fail to engage students fully. With 8-dimensional technology, educators can create dynamic and interactive learning environments that captivate students' imaginations. Imagine students donning 8-dimensional headsets and being transported to ancient Rome, where they can walk through the bustling streets, interact with historical figures, and witness key events firsthand. This level of immersion can make history come alive, fostering a deeper understanding and retention of the material. In the realm of professional training, 8-dimensional immersion displays can simulate real-world scenarios in a controlled and risk-free environment. Medical students, for instance, could practice complex surgical procedures on virtual patients, receiving haptic feedback that mimics the resistance and texture of human tissue. This allows them to refine their skills and build confidence before performing actual surgeries. Corporate training programs can also benefit from this technology. Employees could be trained on new equipment and procedures in a virtual environment that replicates their actual workplace. This hands-on approach ensures that they are well prepared to apply their training in real-world situations, reducing the learning curve and improving performance. Moreover, 8-dimensional immersion displays can democratize education by making it accessible to a wider audience. Students from remote areas can attend virtual classes and interact with teachers and peers from around the world. This can help bridge the educational divide, providing opportunities for learning and growth to those who might otherwise be left behind. In conclusion, the potential disruptions of 8-dimensional immersion displays to traditional business models are vast and varied. By transforming retail, hospitality, education, and training, This technology promises to create more engaging, personalized, and effective experiences. As businesses and institutions embrace these innovations, they will not only enhance their offerings, but also redefine the very nature of customer and student engagement in the modern era. While the entertainment industry eagerly embraces eight-dimensional immersion, its true potential extends far beyond gaming and virtual concerts. Imagine architects presenting designs to clients, not with static blueprints, but by inviting them to step inside a fully realized virtual building. Clients could walk through rooms, experience the play of light, and even suggest modifications in real time. The medical field, too, stands on the verge of a revolution. Surgeons could train for complex procedures on virtual patients, experiencing the tactile sensations of surgery without the risk. This immersive training could lead to greater precision, reduced errors, and ultimately, saved lives. In manufacturing, eight-dimensional displays could bridge the gap between design and production. Engineers, viewing complex machinery in 3 dimensions, could identify potential flaws and optimize designs before physical prototypes are even built. This streamlined process translates to reduced costs, faster development cycles, and increased efficiency. The potential applications of eight-dimensional technology are as vast as our imagination. From education and healthcare to architecture and engineering, every industry stands to be transformed by this immersive technology that blurs the lines between the virtual and the real. The rise of eight-dimensional immersion technology creates a fertile ground for new business opportunities. Imagine companies specializing in creating custom eight-dimensional experiences, from virtual tours of historical landmarks to interactive training simulations for specialized industries. As the demand for immersive content explodes, so too will the need for skilled developers and designers who can bring these virtual worlds to life. The demand for hardware will also surge, creating opportunities for manufacturers of eight-dimensional displays, haptic suits, and other immersive technologies. As the technology matures and becomes more affordable, we can expect to see a proliferation of eight-dimensional enabled devices, from home entertainment systems to mobile devices that bring immersive experiences to our fingertips. This technological revolution will also create entirely new industries. Imagine virtual real estate companies offering immersive tours of properties in the metaverse, or virtual travel agencies, crafting personalized eight-dimensional journeys to exotic destinations without ever leaving home. The possibilities are boundless, limited only by our imagination. The eight-dimensional frontier is vast and uncharted, brimming with opportunities for those bold enough to explore it. As with any technological revolution, challenges will arise, ethical considerations will need to be addressed, and the full impact of this immersive technology on society remains to be seen. Yet, one thing is certain: the journey into the world of eight-dimensional immersion has just begun, and the future promises to be truly extraordinary. The emergence of eight-dimensional immersion technology marks a profound shift in our relationship with the digital world. What was once confined to the flat surface of a screen is now poised to envelop our senses, transporting us to realms of experience once thought impossible. From revolutionizing business models to transforming how we learn, work, and even dream, the implications of eight-dimensional technology are as vast as the virtual worlds it creates. Imagine a future where the lines between the physical and digital blur, where we can visit distant planets, interact with historical figures, or step inside the human body with unparalleled realism. This is the promise of eight-dimensional immersion, a future where our capacity for experience is limited only by the scope of our imagination. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, one thing is certain: the journey into the eight-dimensional horizon will be nothing short of transformative. The challenges and opportunities presented by this technological leap are immense. It will require us to rethink traditional business models, redefine the boundaries of education and entertainment, and grapple with the ethical implications of a world increasingly intertwined with the virtual. Yet, the potential rewards are too great to ignore. Eight-dimensional immersion promises to unlock new realms of human potential, fostering deeper connections, sparking greater creativity, and ultimately, expanding our understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. Well, folks, that is all we have for you today. Please don't forget to like us and subscribe to AI World to get similar updates on artificial intelligence.